All right, ladies and gentlemen, back to the Dodge. Like I said, this is in a series, consecutive videos, so I did the work already. Well, I didn't do all the work already, but I did a lot of it, and I realized I'm mixing the videos up, so here we go again. This is a 2017 Dodge Eco Diesel. Not that that matters, that part doesn't matter. What we're doing is we're replacing the headlight bulbs. They got two different light styles. This one here is the dual, and anyway, in order to remove that, there's a plastic retainer clip, and the way you do it is you open up this here cover. It's got just a push lock retainer, and you reach in here, you reach your hand in there, and you slide a plastic lock. It's up and down, you know, you just slide it until it clicks open, and then there is this cover. You just pop it open, and there is a bolt here and a bolt down there. So pause. And the customer wants both of them replaced, so I would highly recommend get you a pair of these rubber gloves, and do not touch them when you're taking them out of the box. Don't want to scratch this man's truck, only because I want to show you this. So here we've got, can you see that? I'm trying to loosen that up, position the camera so you can see it. But anyway, here we got a white push lock. I have to get this open in an effort to get this this plug undone. Pull the bulb out of here. This is your assembly, and let's go over here to my makeshift table for right now. Wow, that's in there. Which one is which? Oh. These seals here, the best bet is to lubricate them. Driving light is what we're after, actually, so that is the top one here. That is the one we're after. And I could have sworn he told me that the low beam was actually the one that's out. Oh, back up another. Alright, pause the camera up and see what's going on. So, real quick check with the power probe. Just center, ground, low and high. And in fact, I was wrong. I could have sworn he told me that the driving lights, it's not. It is actually the high beams that, the high beam on this side here, that's actually bad. So we're going to go ahead and replace them. Anyway, that's how you replace the bulb. So we've got footwork here done already. Of course, it's been just as easy to just do this. So this bulb is bad. Again, don't touch your bulbs. I'm not gonna do that. I was gonna show that to you, but I don't think that's necessary. Put that seal back on. Put this seal back on. You can lubricate that O-ring if you want to. I'm not going to. I thought I needed to, but here in this case, I'm not going to. What the heck? So, there you go. Low beam, high beam, verified it anyway. Doesn't matter. Driver side, passenger side. Want to get in the hole as far as these pegs right here. That one right there. Those two. All right. Come around, come around, come around. So I'm gonna have this camera off kilter now. I'm sorry about that, but right there, guys, this is the thing that you're reaching into. See where it's at? Okay, that's that part of the video. Like, subscribe, comments, concerns, put them in the comment section. You know where they go. We'll see you on the next segment. What the heck, guys, let's go do this together. These two long bolts is the ones that go in the very bottom in the back. So I'm going to get out of the camera. So, first things first, there's a clip as well. The light click, you heard that? I hope you did. It needs to go into that clip. Now have a peek down here. Get you a piece of rag or something, paper towel rag. Put it in your socket. That'll hold that bolt for you. Long extension. Shine you a light down here. Sorry, somebody broke down. But anyway, hold that flapper over. Start your bolt. Yes, I'm going to do it by hand right now, guys. So this is something I normally don't do. Now that thing is criminally long, so we might switch to a power tool. It's getting boring already. Remember that it's plastic, so a little goes a long way. This one here, you can start it if you're lucky. Yeah, we're gonna have to finish it with a wrench because the angle is not correct. Little pressure goes a long, long ways in this situation. So your little Christmas tree, put that back on. So that finishes that part off. Now I understand a lot of you are not going to have a lift. You know, you can kick your wheel out. I'm not going to do that. Give me just a second. So yes, I cheated a little bit. I lifted the vehicle up. So this is where I'm at. Whoa, 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 camera. There's one thing I don't like about this stand. That's the nut on the side. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. So you might have to push out a little bit on the headlight, wiggle it around a little bit, and click. Now the headlight is in there, locked in, good to go. We'll fold your cover back and put the retainer clip back on. And that, in a nutshell, ladies and gentlemen, is how you change a headlight bulb in a Ram truck. 14 to 18, I do believe that body style is. Could be wrong. Anyway, see you on the next one.